Kusangana kwatiri kuita zuva ranhasi padare raChief Mutasa kunokumanika land kwaMutasa. Welcome to Chief Mutasa's court, where truth is heard, justice is questioned, and every case tells a story. In our communities, disputes are more than arguments. They are about family, land, tradition, values, and justice. They reflect who we are, where we come from, and how we resolve conflicts as a people. Here at Chief Mutasa's court, we bring these real-life cases into the open, not to shame, not to divide, but to educate, inform, and preserve our justice system. This platform is dedicated to sharing authentic court proceedings, real cases, real discussions, real lessons, so that everyone can understand how justice is served at the traditional court level. Muchaoneko pachano pano, muchaona nhau dzemhuri, marriages, nhau dzeminda, inheritance, community disagreements, traditional law, and cultural accountability. Each case carries a lesson, each ruling carries a meaning, and every voice deserves to be heard. All court cases will be uploaded on our YouTube channel, giving you an opportunity to follow proceedings, learn from the outcomes, and understand how traditional justice works in practice. This is not entertainment. This is community education. This is cultural preservation. This is justice in action. By sharing these community cases, we aim to promote fairness and transparency, encourage peaceful conflict resolutions, educate the younger generation, preserve our customs. Mukutoona vanhu vanomukira kazhinji kudare kunoda kumukirwa kuitira kuti nyaya yako kakasikawo inokwanisa kupinda mudare nekukasika. Zita rako ukaonekwa risipo havamiriri kuzwa kuti uripo here. Ndofunga mukaona futi pane madevelopments padare pedu, pane matakshop, marefreshments ese ukatongwa namambo wedu, wana chekumwira usabuda ziya chete risina kutonhodza huro. Machinda anenge aripo. It's a very nice place, dedicated place yakatomirira kuseva justice in Manika land. Mukona dare redu, it's very smart, very well kept.